The intro paragraph is actually going to help you construct your conclusion paragraph. First of all, we would want to restate the topic, which we found in the second sentence. Homo sapiens possess hundreds of bones and muscles. We're going to want to restate that in some way. You don't want to copy what you've already done. You want to elaborate or restate that. The rewording the 3 points, that would be the topic sentence where we would have to revisit the giving shape, protecting the vital organs, and also helping the organism move. So you're rewording the 3 points. And then we're going to need to connect all of the ideas. So it might read something like this. This would be our conclusion paragraph. The skeletal and muscular system complement each other to the benefit of the organism. I've just talked about how Homo sapien possesses hundreds of bones and muscles. So that was restated in the skeletal and muscle systems complement each other to the benefit of the organism. It's a different way of saying you need your bones and muscles. They work together. And the rewording of the points, when these 2 body systems work together, a shapely human being, remember from the intro, it talked about how it gives shape to the body. So a shapely human being can build a snowman, not be one. Let's just take our intro paragraph and the conclusion, and you can see how the ideas are repeated. Without bones and muscles, the human body would look like a melted snowman. Homo sapien possesses hundreds of bones and muscles. The skeletal and muscular systems give shape to the body, protect the vital organs, and help move the organism. Now the conclusion. The skeletal and muscular systems complement each other to the benefit of the organism. When these 2 body systems work together, a shapely human being can build a snowman, not be one.